Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Upside app not working. Fixing the Upside app when it stops working usually comes down to a few common issues like network glitches, outdated version, or account syncing problems. So start by checking your internet connection and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app loads properly. Because unstable connectivity is one of the most common issues or causes of loading or login errors. Next, make sure the app is fully updated by visiting the Play Store or App Store and installing the latest version. Since older versions often break after back-end updates, if it still isn't working, go into your device's settings, find the Upside app under Apps, and clear its cache to remove temporary corrupted files. And if needed, clear data and log back in using your credentials. Also ensure location services, date, and time settings are enabled because Upside relies heavily on accurate location data to show offers. If issue continue, try logging out and back in, resetting your password, or checking whether the servers are down via official support channels as a final step. Reinstall the app or contact Upside support for further troubleshooting assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.